There are SUVs, and then there are SUVs. The originals that stay true to their body-on-frame origins, with motorhome-like proportions and engines that can haul. And after a decades-long wait, Ford has finally redesigned their Expedition to be smarter, more powerful, more spacious, and with fuel economy that won't break the bank.
Though GM absolutely dominates the full-size SUV segment, their big boys are deep into their product cycle, with complete redesigns still a couple of years away. So this is Ford's moment to shine and show the world that the GM twins are no longer the best choices. Now, there's the Expedition, which is akin to the Tahoe, and this Expedition Max, which is sized like the Suburban. At 18.5 feet long, it's more than 5 feet longer than a Fiesta hatchback.
The Max part of the equation adds about another foot in length to the Expedition, resulting in over 70% more cargo volume behind the third row. You also get a gas tank that can hold 5 more gallons, delivering a driving range of over 500 miles. It's really, really spacious in here. No duh. But not all of these types use their interior volume nearly as efficiently. The Expedition isn't one of them. All 7 people here are going to be very happy with their spot. Well, maybe 6.5.
Though the Expedition can be spec'd in an 8-passenger seating configuration, mine has the optional second row buckets that are power folding with a tip and slide feature that makes accessing the cabin a breeze, though they can get stuck if you don't move them in one swift motion. But this is first-class living with big, comfy, adjustable seats, climate and radio controls with numerous connection points, a big window overhead. This is long trip cruising done right. Ford continues to pioneer with inflatable rear seat belts too. And then you've got the incredibly spacious third row, a complaint-free zone with power seats and more USB ports. These headrests can be dropped from the driver's seat too, so as not to impede visibility. Back to the cargo area, the seats all power fold with ease to create a massive 121.5 cubic feet of cargo volume, almost 50% more than in an Explorer. Now, the features list says there's a foot-activated liftgate, but after numerous attempts, I've never seen it work.
Though $80 fill-ups are no fun, this big boy returns about 18 mpg. So how much more efficient have these powertrains become? Well, this 400-horse V6, carrying nearly 5,800 pounds on its shoulders, nabs about the same mileage as a 10-year-old Ford Escape. And the new 10-speed auto has plenty to do with that.
It drives so much smaller than its physical size, and that's probably the best compliment you can pay to a big SUV. GM used to own this trait, not so anymore. The Expedition's relatively small turning diameter, active park assist system, easy effort steering, and 360-degree camera all contribute to simple maneuverability. And the ride quality? Spectacular. Without the use of air springs, the Expedition's continuously controlled damping suspension with an independent rear does an amazing job of providing a stout, forgiving drive free of excess head sway and body roll. The balance between ride and handling elevates it to a class-leading level, while the 3.5-liter twin-turbo engine and new transmission work perfectly here. There are various drive modes as well, including Eco, Sport, and numerous off-road settings. And for those who tow, the Expedition uses its 480 pound-feet of torque and the ultra-cool Pro Trailer Backup Assist to pull 9,000 pounds without breaking a sweat.
What makes the Expedition such a winner is its easy-to-use nature. A big rig like this can be intimidating at first, but this one plays so small from behind the wheel that even my sister drove it and felt comfortable, and that's saying something. Luxurious, quiet, smooth as can be, not to mention robustly powerful. When it's your turn to drive, your friends and family and neighbors are going to love it. It is so roomy, everyone feels right at home. Now, this Platinum model is sticker shock personified, But in all honesty, it's got the complete package to back it up. If I could change but one thing, it would probably be the slab-sided styling.
How does $82,510 sound for a fully loaded Expedition Platinum Max 4x4? Large and luxurious comes at a price, you know, and you get all of the latest driver assistance features.
There are USB ports all over this thing, plus a Wi-Fi hotspot that transmits beyond the truck's cabin. Though visually rudimentary, the latest version of Sync is easy to navigate and includes all of the features you would want in a modern connected vehicle. And now that Napster is CarPlay compatible, streaming my music just got safer.
Not being tempted to mess with my phone is a huge plus, so having this level of smartphone integration is important. The driver displays are amazing, even though there's no head-up display, the one notable omission. There's also a conveniently located wireless charging pad, sweet-sounding 12-speaker B&O sound system, power-adjustable pedals, massaging seats, and configurable ambient lighting. There's a Wi-Fi hotspot, remote start, you name it, and Ford put it in the Platinum. So to GM, Ford says, checkmate. The new Expedition is as good as it gets. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.